every time I go out to learn how to play basketball, football, my mother, you know, we didn't have health care. Our health care came through the emergency room in the county hospital. So she would say, "You don't sit your ass down. I'm not going to the hospital with you tonight. Don't be out there running up and down the street." So I never learned how to play sports, so I had to find something else to stay out of trouble, to stay away from the pimps and the hoes and the gangbangers in the neighborhood. You want to be real? Let's talk about it. So what I found was the arts, and they weren't in the school. So what I would do is I would sneak into these plays when they would come to town down in New Orleans. That's where I grew up. And I would only see the second act, so I would wait until the intermission when everybody was coming out to have their smoke, and I would sneak back into the crowd. So I only saw a lot of second acts of plays. That's why my movies always seem a little incomplete. But to know that Rush Philanthropic and this great organization is able to do this for so many children, you have no idea how much hope is given. Where people from, like where I come from in the inner city, they know that someone cares. They know that someone is just giving them a nudge in the right